on my trampoline. I'm wild. Doesn't happen often. Only once in a while I get wild like this and play on here. I'm really confused right now. I don't know what to do. I heard something over here. I'm so tired. I think I'll lay down here. It's too hot out today. It was like 120. I don't know what's going on. Something's touching. Ugh! I'm gonna get you. I think I'm stuck. Nope, I'm not. I don't know what that was. I'm gonna roll. My nickname is Roly Poly. I like to roll. I don't know what the Poly stands for though. I'm gonna get this stick. I'm gonna eat it. I got it.
Don't stick it down his throat.
I'm a dog. Look, I can hold on to stick. Ugh, doesn't taste. Spit it out. There's so many sounds. I'm so distracted. I don't know which one to listen to or what to do. I think I'll chew on my stick. That's what I'll do to your arm if you touch my stomach. Crack your arm. The stick is the arm. I go and then I'll spit it out into a corner. Yeah.